The trendy bathroom right now must have a double toilet inside. There is only one bathroom in the house, and little John often spends hours there, causing his wife and kids to wait too long to brush their teeth and wash their faces. Alice immediately ordered a double toilet worth $8,000 so that they could use the bathroom together. This solution seemed to remedy their inconvenient situation. However, being frugal and money-conscious, little John decided to redesign it like this. First, lay out the horizontal and vertical openings of the galvanized square steels. Pre-install hidden water tanks on both sides with a marble exterior. Install 2 symmetrical wall-mounted toilets that are both practical and aesthetically pleasing. The key advantage is the cost. It's only $99, far less than $8,000, and this design eliminates any hard-to-clean spots, making it hygienic and easy to maintain. Even if the couple is sitting there, they can enhance the atmosphere with candlelight, adding a touch of romance. Push the wall inward by 1.2 meters to create more space. Construct an arched door opening from cut rock. Add a half-height pull-out low cabinet on the side with a stable water-absorbent top surface to save space without waste. Cover the countertops with marble for beauty and stain resistance. Install additional door covers on the outside and match them with light strips to brighten the area. For a cleaner look, ensure the sewer wall sign pipe is not exposed. Maintain the original floor drain for easy access and maintenance. Include a suspended sink to facilitate cleaning the floor underneath, enhancing hygiene. Install smart mirrors to avoid any sanitary dead corners, showcasing the wife's impeccable taste. Create additional storage by cutting a hole in the partition wall to insert a metal wall magazine. Ensure an outlet is reserved nearby for convenience when using hair dryers and other small appliances. Remove the original cylinder press cover and install narrow, long glass doors that are both translucent and opaque. Remove the cumbersome wall ladder in Black City to access the top of the locker, increasing storage space for everyday items. Divide the area with an intermediate air partition wall. Use a single piece of marble as a groove inside and install a wall-mounted shower head with strong water flow, making Little John's showers comfortable. Install a thermostatic faucet on the opposite gas platform room for convenience, especially since it's heavy to carry when filled with water. Dig a hole in the wall for Alice's toiletries, making them easily accessible so she can enjoy her baths daily. This redesign not only improves functionality but also brings a new level of romance to every corner.